Where do you belong?
Sir, basically I'm from South Uzbekistan.
Can you please repeat that?
From South Uzbekistan.
South Uzbekistan. Is South Uzbekistan a good place to live?
Yeah, of course, sir. South Uzbekistan is a good place to live for every people, sir.
Yeah. Can you specify a reason for that?
Sir, the best and perfect reason for the live that you have to live here is the weather. They have the cold weather, and South Uzbekistan, especially in winter, in summer, you have the possibility to live here in South Uzbekistan.
Okay, which kind of weather do you like the most?
Yes, sir. Summer, winter, I like the most, sir. There in South Uzbekistan. Yeah.
Okay, and what have you studied?
I completed my base from UT Lahore in petroleum and gas engineering.